Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 12 years old. Today, I'm going to show you how to make pakoray. The reason I'm going to make pakoray today is Ramadan is coming up, and it's a very common iftar food. This recipe originally came from my grandmother, and now I'm going to tell you what you need. For this recipe, you'll need gram flour, water, ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, spinach, chili powder, cilantro, onion, chilies, salt, and potato. When you make pakoray, you need to make a batter. To make the batter, you need all of these ingredients. And then you're going to start making it. So, start with our gram flour, our water, our ginger garlic paste, our cumin powder, chili powder, salt, cilantro, and green chilies.
Mix.
And then we're going to mix it. You're going to want to keep mixing it until you get the right consistency. This batter is a little bit too thick, so I'm going to add a little bit of water. And then I'm going to mix it to get the right consistency. So we're going to keep mixing or adding water until you get about this consistency. Once you get this consistency, you can dip potato, eggplant, and onions into this to fry and become pakoras. Batter is mixed, you can all heat up some oil. You're going to take a pan and heat it up to high heat. Once the oil becomes hot, you're going to lower it to medium. Now that my oil is bubbling and crackling, I'm going to lower it to medium heat. The first type of pakoray I'm going to make are potato pakoras. We're going to take a slice of potato, dip it in both sides in the batter, and then we're going to fry it. The second type we're going to make are onion and spinach. We're going to put our onion and spinach and then mix it and then fry that mixture. Now we're going to start making our potato pakora. We're going to start taking our slices of potato and putting them in the batter. Once we put them in the batter, we're going to flip them around to get coated. We're going to begin frying our pakora. We're going to take them out. We're going to let the excess batter drip off. And then we're going to put it into our frying vessel. Be careful because your pakora cook quick. Once they've turned golden brown, they're ready to take out. Our pakora are done frying. We're going to put them on a paper towel to become less oily. Now we're going to start making our second type of pakora. We're going to put in our onions to the batter and also add our spinach. Then we're going to mix it together. Once it's all mixed, we're ready to fry. Once it's all mixed, we're going to take a spoon and put it into our oil. You're going to take a spoon with holes in it, and you're going to flip them quickly. You'll know it's done when it's golden brown on both sides. This side has become nice and golden brown. The other side just needs a few more seconds. Pakoras are served with many different types of sauces. I'm going to use sweet chili sauce and ketchup. Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 12 years old. If I can make my grandmother's pakora recipe, so can you. Time to eat. I'm hungry.